Hello guys, your boy Kenny Fruish. Who am I here with?
Jojo.
So this guy now, you say what?
Jojo, I'm a girl, not a guy.
Okay. Wahala dey for this country. So this guy now, this girl now we dey here now. So I want to know her outfit, like all these things where she wear now, because we don't lost another brother. Unfortunately, we don't lost another brother.
Please,
now.
I'm a girl, not a guy. Okay.
Okay, sorry, Bob. So how much?
I'm Joe.
How much be all these things now you wear?
And this one, I bought it at Ikodu. I bought it 9,000 naira.
$9,000, $9,000.
9,000 naira. Me okay, she
Wow.
fake live online.
Wow, that is crazy. Just turn around. Just do 360 for camera. Can you please bend down?
Hold my hand. Just hold my hand.
Which one? Hold your hand. Only goes fire. No, just bend down like this. Like make them see. You dey see am. So this bag in how much you buy this bag?